Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace this on your door lock. This is BMW E90 rear right hand side door lock. If you're doing the left hand side door lock, it's probably gonna be mirror image wise, but I'm not 100% sure about it. Anyway, if you try to replace this, I'll show you the easy way to do it. Basically, this one is where this one was. I've replaced it already, but to make a video I'll do it again. So what you do, you see this, you lift it up and push it to the side. Then you lift up this mechanism. Alright, and now you can take off the cog and put the new one, but since this one is the new one, I'm putting it back on. And while I'm here, I'll stick some grease in here as well. Okay, so to put it back, there's a hole here, this big one, you slide it over this one. So this big one goes over this one, but before you do, here there is that's where the spring goes, like this. There's only one way you can put it in. You can't put it in, so here. Can't do it the other way. So you line it up like this, and push it on. Now the spring needs to go, the loop needs to go over here. So what you do is you grab it with a maybe a pair of pliers. It's a bit fiddly. You can try to line it up before you put the mechanism on, sort of like this. So line it all up, and then you push the mechanism down. You have to fiddle until this fits in there, and voila. Oh, now you're supposed to put this back, but what happens? The metal bit, the other metal bits here fall off, or maybe you took them off earlier. So I will show you how to put them back on. Again, a little bit of grease while I'm here. Okay. So the first one is this piece. Goes over that shiny one. Okay, so you see, you have the end is like this. The single protrusion goes down, and the two going up, the other two going up, go up like this. I hope it's visible. Now, after that, you put this one on. You've got a short end and a long end. The short end goes in between, in a gap here, and the long end, it has to be pointing up. Now you have this one, and that goes okay, that goes like this. It's just got this little thing here, and it goes in here. This end pointing down, this end pointing up, and the only thing is there is a spring here, so before you put them all on, you need to put that spring here, or hook it. There's a plastic bit protrusion, hook it on this, then okay, like I said, alright, so this one goes like this, that thing moves. Don't know how it's supposed to be now, but oh well. This bit goes on like this. Now this bit has, you see this, the short end has this bit bent down, so that has to be, that's got to push the spring out. So what you do is you push it maybe behind the spring, and then push it all in. See, the spring popped out from the spring was here on the plastic, and now it popped out and it's behind this. Worst case scenario, you can always use a pair of pliers, but it's a bit more tricky. Okay, so that's how you put it back together. I hope that helps.